Alright, YouTube. Man, I'm back with another video. 82 box Chevy, boy. I'm finna ask you about this, right? So right now, I'm working on trying to get my vents to blow good. I had a couple people hit me up and everything, told me a couple things. So check this out. When I put it on by, it blows through like I was supposed to. When I put it on vent, it don't blow through. Defrost work how it's supposed to. The heat or whatever acting like it ain't supposed to. AC don't really work on its body level. So I don't know if it's some on the back of the control panel I need to look at or what. This is how I got it hooked up. Ran these two lines to this T right here, connected it, boom. I ran it into this hose. I don't know if that's the right hose or not. All I know, that motherfucker suck and it's a vacuum. It's another one. At first they was coming from this ball right here. I don't know if you can see it. It was coming from that ball. This hose right here was connected right there. This white one was connected right there. I don't know what that means, so I need your help. I need to find out. Do I need to have both of these connected to this one, which that one was connected right there and goes down into the manifold, or do I got it hooked up right? I'm trying to figure it out. So y'all let me know, because that's a vacuum hose. And then it's another, I don't know if you can see it. You probably can see it right there up on this right here. Right there's another hose, but that hose is a little bit bigger, but it's a vacuum hose as well. So y'all let me know if I got the hoses hooked up wrong and that's why I can't feel it coming through the vents, or do I need to really check the back of the control panel when I switch? Because when I switch it to vents, I can still hear that hissing noise a little bit. I don't know if you're supposed to or not, but man, just let me know, because I'm really trying to go and get this knocked out and get it fixed on where I need to hook it up at. So y'all let me know, man.